Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. Hi lovely, what's new? This is Sogan, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of Irish Crochet Lace applique. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chains. Insert your hook in 10th chain, then make a slab stitch. Make a single crochet in this ring. Make 18 double crochets in same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Make a single crochet in same space. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make 9 single crochets in next 9 chains. Make a single crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make 3 single crochets in last chain. 1, 2, and 3. Make 9 single crochets. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now make a single crochet all around your circle. Make a single crochet all around your circle except my last 4 stitches. Make a single crochet all around your circle, except the last 4 stitches. Now I reach. Now I'm going to crochet a slab stitch in next stitch. Chain 5, 4, 5. Skip 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a slab stitch in 5th stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 2, turn your work, then make 6 double crochets in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn your work, make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a slab stitch in next stitch, chain 5, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, 2 stitches, then make a slab stitch in 3rd stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 2, and turn your work. Make 6 double crochets in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn your work. Make a single crochet in 1st stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a slab stitch in next stitch. Chain 5. Skip 1, 2 stitches, then make a slab stitch in 3rd stitch. Make a single crochet in next stitch, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, make 6 double crochets in this space. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Turn your work, make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a slab stitch in next stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.